Good evening, everyone. Today, I will present on the critical role of human resource leadership in driving performance management, a key process that ensures both employees and organizations reach their fullest potential. Let's explore this topic in detail. As human resource leaders, we are pivotal in ensuring employees perform at their best. This directly impacts success of the organization. And today we'll break down what this responsibility entails and the steps for effective performance management. Performance management is not a one time event, but an ongoing process. It must align with organizational goals. For example, if the goal is a 10% sales increase, the human resource role is to ensure the team has the resources and strategies to achieve this. As strategic partners, the human resource works closely with leaders to determine how to meet organizational targets. And this involves asking critical questions and aligning efforts across departments. Managers often need support in performance management. The human resource must equip them with the tools, training, and confidence to set goals, provide feedback, and manage both success and the underperformance effectively. Effective performance management follows a clear framework from understanding job roles to setting goals, coaching, and rewarding performance. The human resource ensures alignment and continuous improvement. The ultimate goal of performance management is to build a culture where every employee understands their role in achieving organizational objectives. It's about fostering alignment, collaboration, and a drive for excellence. Under building a performance culture or the value of performance management, number one, it links employee contributions to organizational goals. It also strengthens relationships among employees, managers, and the human resource. It fosters a culture of continuous improvement and it sets employees and the organization up for success. The human resource leadership is critical in developing a robust performance management system. By focusing on alignment, feedback, and recognition, we can build a workplace where employees and organizations thrive.
Good evening, everyone. Let's start by comparing traditional and advanced performance management systems, or PMS. So, traditionally, PMS focus on evaluating past performance using static tools like annual reviews. So, these evaluations were infrequent and relied on one way feedback. However, advanced PMS shifts the focus to future oriented growth. So these systems provide continuous real time feedback and utilize AI driven tools for analytics. So instead of a one way process, advanced methods embrace 360-degree feedback and coaching to foster holistic development. So, as students of leadership and management, understanding this evolution is critical for implementing modern, effective strategies in our organizations. So, performance appraisals are the backbones of effective PMS. So, let's explore some advanced methods. We have the 360-degree feedback. So, this approach collects input from peers, subordinates, and supervisors, offering a comprehensive view of an employee's performance. So, behaviorally anchored rating scales or bars. So, bars combines qualitative and quantitative insights, measuring performance against specific behavior based benchmarks. So, the management by objectives or MBO. So, this method aligns individual and organizational goals using SMART criteria. So we have the specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So key performance indicators or key KPIs or KPIs with balanced scorecards by tracking financial and non-financial outcomes. So KPIs ensure alignment between team goals and organizational strategy. So these tools highlight how performance management is evolving to be more precise, inclusive, and aligned with organizational priorities. We have the feedback or the importance of performance feedback. It is an essential element of performance management. So the key goals include reinforcing positive behaviors, building trust, and encouraging self awareness for continuous learning. So, to deliver effective feedback, consider the real time feedback, offer immediate input to address performance promptly. So, feed forward approach. So, instead of focusing solely on your past issues, emphasize actionable steps for future improvements. And we have the coaching conversations. So this foster collaborative problem solving between managers and employees. So effective feedback bridges the gap between performance expectations and actual outcomes, driving individual and organizational success. Next, we have the designing an effective PMS involves several crucial steps. The first one is define organizational goals. This is to ensure alignment with the broader strategic objectives. For letter B, set clear expectations. Establish measurable benchmarks for behaviors and outcomes. For letter C, integrate technology. Of course, use AI tools for real time insights and tracking. Embed a reward system. So recognize achievements through both monetary and non monetary rewards. So focus on behaviors and outcomes. Reward not just what is achieved, but also how it is achieved. A well structured PMS empowers employees while driving organizational growth. So we have the aligning performance with organizational goals. So to achieve organizational success, performance must align with goals, of course. So this involves two types of metrics. We have the behavior based metrics, evaluate collaboration, leadership, and innovation. And for the outcome based metrics, focus on KPI like revenue, customer satisfaction, or market share. We have the Gallup research shows organizations with engaged employees experience a 21% increase in profitability. So by focusing on strengths and linking employee contributions to strategic goals, we can foster productivity and retention. So we have the implementing the PMS is that without challenges. So for these challenges and solutions, let's examine a few common issues and solutions. The lack of managerial buy-in, provide training in coaching and feedback to ensure leaders embrace the system. So resistance to continuous feedback. Build a culture of trust to make a feedback a natural and welcome process. Measuring intangible metrics, leverage behavioral indicators, and advanced analytics. So to address this complexity, proactively addressing these challenges ensures the success and acceptance of modern PMS frameworks. For this case study approach, so to solidify our understanding, let's explore case studies. So we have the Gallup Insights, which demonstrates how strengths based performance management increases engagement and performance. For the HR Technologies Insights, highlights how emerging technologies like AI driven analytics enhance PMS implementation. So these examples provide practical insights into applying advanced PMS in real world scenarios, bridging theory and practice effectively. So, in conclusion, advanced PMS plays a crucial role in aligning employee performance with organizational objectives. So, by integrating real time feedback, advanced metrics, and a focus on behavioral rewards, we can foster a culture of continuous improvement. So, leveraging technology ensures these systems are scalable and adaptable, meeting the dynamic needs of modern organizations. So, as future leaders, adapting these methods will enable us to drive both employee and organizational success. Thank you so much.